Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to use Google Lens for translating text into any language you want. Let's dive right into it. On your home screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see an app with a Google search bar, microphone, and camera icon. The camera icon is the Google Lens. Tap on it. Once you open Google Lens, point it at the text you want to translate. Use your camera frame to select the text, and when it's fully captured, press the search button. Then, tap on the translate option. For example, if you have a piece of text in French and want to translate it into Chinese, select the translate option, and it will instantly show the translation. If you'd like to change it to a different language, like English, tap on the language drop-down menu, e.g., where it says Chinese. From there, scroll through the available languages and select English.as. Soon as you select English, the translation will update, and you'll see the entire French text translated into English on your screen. And that's how easy it is to use Google Lens for translations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.